This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing, which is a part of Paloma Group. The units are sold through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada, but their guarantee is minimal when compared to other brands. The WP14F models are basic builder-grade units that are designed for large home building companies that are more concerned with price than other factors. They feature louvered panel construction, which does a superior job of protecting the condenser coil from mechanical damage caused by lawnmower debris or hail. They use demand defrost control, where a defrost sequence is only initiated when it is really necessary, which results in energy savings over units that use a timed control. They have a base pan made of composite material, but they are still relatively loud in operation at about the sound level as a vacuum sweeper. The Versus line Select Series WP14AZ units are their entry in the premium category, but the heat pumps are relatively loud compared to other brands with a sound level that is equivalent to a busy restaurant. They are also quite boxy in appearance and do not have the look and feel of a premium product. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.